Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Visiting Friends. Have you ever traveled abroad? Come, dear children. Today we are going to visit friends. One morning in May, a bright silver and blue jet aeroplane landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport outside Paris, France. One morning in month of May, a bright silver and blue jet aeroplane. The aeroplane name is a jet aeroplane. The color of the aeroplane is a bright silver and blue and landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport. It is the largest international airport in France and second busiest airport in Europe. Charles de Gaulle is a former president of France. His name only kept for this airport. Mrs. and Mr. Rajan with their two daughters Alicia and Indrani stepped out into the warm sunshine. Mr. Rajan and his wife and their two daughters, one is named Alicia and another one is Indrani. They stepped out into the warm sunshine. The Rajan family had come from India to live for a year in this beautiful country. They are going to live in France, the beautiful country, for 1 year. Mrs. Rajan means the Rajan wife had come to study the French perfume business for Indian government. France is known for very famous for a perfume. So Mr. Rajan wife going to study about the French perfume business for the Indian government, and Mr. Rajan would train as a chef. The meaning of chef is a professional cook, especially the head cook in a hotel or restaurant, etc. And Alicia and Indrani, they are going to study in a French school. As the taxi took them into Paris, Mr. Rajan started to tell his daughters something about France. They took a taxi where they want to go. Then Mr. Rajan started to tell his daughters something about France. It is about 1/4 the size of India, he said. If you make India as a 4 part, the one part as a size will be France. It is among the largest country in Europe. Russia is the largest. In Europe, the largest country is Russia. Mr. Rajan went on to say that unlike India, France is not crowded. Mr. Rajan told that like India, France is not crowded. Very less people are there, so there is a plenty of room for everyone. There are forests and farms in France. Forest also is there to cultivate, but for them land also is there. The soil is so rich. The sea surrounded much of France. So to cultivate, enough water they are having. So there is no shortage of good vegetables, fruits, grains, meat and fish to eat. Everything is available. They need not to suffer for food. France has snow-capped mountains called the French Alps. Snow-capped meaning is France has snow-capped mountains called French Alps. Snow-capped meaning is covered as if with a cap of snow. French Alps is the highest and most extensive mountain. France also has broad rivers and plains where the cattle graze and luscious grass. The meaning of luscious is having a strong, pleasant taste. So the cattle, sheep, goat, cow, everything is having a tasty grass to graze. Dairy farming is also popular as the French love cheese. Dairy farming. Dairy is a meaning a company which sells milk. It is very popular in France because the French people love to eat cheese, because through that they will maintain their diet. And sunny hillsides, juicy grapes from the vineyards are harvested and pressed into wine, for which France is famous. So they cultivate grapes and they will harvest and they will press into wine. It is very famous in France. France also has large cities and many factories. The country has almost everything the people need for a comfortable and happy life. Suddenly, Indrani pointed and said excitedly, "Oh, this I have seen in the postcard. It is looking exactly like this." Then, "Yes, that is right," said Mr. Rajan. "The Eiffel Tower is a symbol of France, just as the Taj Mahal is a symbol of India." Paris is a very beautiful and old city. It is white stone buildings gleam in the sun. Gleam means shining brightly. It is white stone. So the people built their house with a white stone. It is shining in the sun. The people love the outdoors, especially the parks and gardens. The people love to spend their time out of their house because they like parks and gardens. There are parks with ponds where the children soil toy boats with the paper boats. In some of the parks, there are rows of trees and flowers everywhere. In some of the parks, in like a row, they kept the trees and flowers everywhere. Some of the trees are so trimmed that they look like a huge green lollipops. The meaning of trimmed is made neat or orderly by cutting or clipping away some parts. Trimming is trimming our nail, cutting our nail. So some of the trees are cut like a order and they look like a huge lollipops. The city is well maintained, neat and clean, which is why the people of Paris are proud of their city. It is also the reason why tourists love to visit the city and speak highly of it. Paris is the capital and the largest city in France. Most highways and railways in France lead to Paris. Many people in other parts of France and the world often dress according to the fashions of Paris. Fashion's meaning is the latest style in clothes and behavior. Normally, the French people love to wear the old-fashioned dresses. Mr. Rajan said that she had read somewhere that when Paris sneezes, the rest of the France catches a cold. Her family, everyone was laughed for a joke. The Rajan's taxi crossed a bridge over the Seine. Seine is a river. So they crossed the bridge, the river that went through Paris like a wet grey ribbon. They got out of the taxi and joined the people on the crowded street, and they passed sidewalk cafes where people sat at little tables outdoors eating, drinking and talking. Sidewalk cafes means a small roadside restaurant. Then Mr. Rajan took his family to visit a museum that is the finest museum in the world. That is the Musée du Louvre. The museum is called Musée du Louvre. Then after few weeks, then he took to see the rest of the places. They visited Normandy and Brittany, the two of the oldest parts of the country. Indrani and Alisha knew that Brittany is a peninsula and that part of Normandy is a peninsula too. The meaning of peninsula is an area of land that is almost surrounded by water. So in Brittany and the Normandy, both the places are surrounded by water. That is, the land reaches out into the sea. They found this part of France is very cool and pleasant. Which part of France? This Normandy and Brittany is a very cool and pleasant. Sometimes there were storms from the ocean, and every day there will be a little rain. The people here, mainly farmers and fishermen, seemed like a little old fashioned. Little old fashioned means they will follow the old style of traditions and everything. They never not interested to try in new things, because they will follow like a old things. They will not take any interest to see the new things. The Rajans enjoyed visiting the old seaports. The meaning of seaports is a place where ships can load and unload goods. They knew that long ago, in the days of wooden sailing ships, soldiers and colonists had sailed from there. Colonist, the meaning of the colonist is persons who set up colony in another country and maintain contact with their home country. In the last days of World War II, big guns thunder there, and bombs and bullets were destroy the trees and garden over the Brittany and Normandy. However, whatever happened, but when the Rajan family visited there, it looked very peaceful and they happily visited all the places. My dear children, I hope that we also visited France with the Rajan's family. So, read the lesson once again and underline the difficult words and find out their meaning. Thank you.